Ready to conquer PCOS naturally? Let's dive into Ayurveda's time-tested remedies. PCOS affects millions of women, causing irregular periods, weight gain, and acne. But why waste money on expensive treatments that only mask symptoms? Ayurveda treats the root cause from within. Here's how. The real cause of PCOS is hormonal imbalance, excess androgens, insulin resistance, and inflammation. Pills just hide the problem. Ayurveda solves it naturally. Step 1. Detox and balance hormones. Start your day with 1 teaspoon of triphala powder in warm water. Drink jeera, dhania, and saunf tea to balance hormones. Avoid dairy, sugar, and processed foods. They worsen PCOS. Shatavari regulates periods and boosts fertility. Ashwagandha lowers stress and controls weight gain. Cinnamon reduces insulin resistance. Morning routine. Drink jeera dhania saunf tea. Practice yoga, Surya Namaskar, and Baddha Konasana. Avoid junk, sugar, dairy, soy. Eat whole grains, lentils, nuts, seeds, and ghee. Share this with every woman who needs it. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Ayurvedic secrets.